Hello everyone, welcome to SRM Technical. Now I am going to introduce my new project, electronic automatic door system. In this video using Arduino. Here I am using Arduino UNO R3, PIR motion sensor, SG90 servo motor, 16x2 LCD display and few jumper wires. For PIR sensor, these pins are for VCC, output and ground. I provided circuit diagram link in description. Okay, now connections are complete. Let's upload the code using this type A to type B cable. Coding upload is complete. The main working principle is when the PIR sensor detects any motion, its data output pin will become high. As the pin connected to the Arduino, it will detect the high signal and understand there is a person approaching the door. Then Arduino immediately activates the motor to open the door. After some time, just about 2 to 5 seconds in this project, the Arduino once again activates the motor to close the door. Okay, let's see the working.